Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the only way to repost someone else's story on Instagram. Instagram hasn't built any feature for it yet, but I think I found a way to do it. All you gotta do guys is to follow step by step and you will have no issues. Let's jump right into it. Let's pick a story that we wanna repost first. Let's say we wanna repost this story over here. All we gotta do is to screenshot as it is, okay? Okay, we just screenshot the actual story. The second step will be essentially to crop the image right over here. This is how simple it is, okay? And then you click done. Save to photos. And we're almost ready, my little friends. Okay, now you wanna go back and create a brand new story. You wanna click on the your story function on the upper left corner. You wanna hit the plus sign, and then you wanna select the story that we screenshotted just now. Then you wanna resize it. You wanna make it a little smaller so it will look like an absolute repost. Do you see that? It looks like an absolutely repost. Doesn't look like a screenshot at all. Now, there is a small details over here. You can definitely see the person that published the story on the upper left, the original creator, right? But you can actually move one step ahead and click on the letters as an adding text, right? And you can click on the mentions on the lower left as well, and you can actually tag the person like this, okay? And you can put it underneath. You can put it on the lower left, on the lower right, okay? This is how easy it is, and then all you gotta do is to click your story and that's it. Very easy guys, very simple. Like I said, this is the only way to do it. So this is the reason for you to subscribe, like this video, and of course come back for more.